Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn about data types in Dart. So what is data type? Data types means we have different types of data that we use in our program. For example, text-based data, for example, numeric data, and lots of other type of data. We can categorize all these type of data in data type, so we can perform various calculation, so we can use various functions of that data type, and it makes our life a lot easier. So let me share my screen and let's learn about data types in Dart. Okay, here you can see data types. Data types helps you to categorize the different types of data you use in your code. For example, numbers, text, symbols, etc. The data types specifies what type of value will be stored by the variable. Each variable has its own data type that support the following built-in data types. You can see all these built-in data types. Number one is numbers. If you want to store numbers in variable, you can use keyword like integer, double or num. Integer basically means you can store numeric value without decimal point. For example, you can store 9. You cannot store 9.9 in integer. For that, you need to use double. Double means integer value but with decimal point. Okay, you can store 9.9 in double but you cannot store 9.9 in integer. In num is very unique in Dart and new in Dart. In num you can store integer value as well as double value. It's so interesting. We'll also see the practical demo of it later after we complete these all. And another one is if you want to store text base value, you can use string. It represents a sequence of character. Basically you can write text or symbols in string. And another one is boolean. In boolean the keyword is bool, B-O-O-L, bool. It means boolean, and you can store true or false, only true or false. And in list you can store a list of items. In maps you can store key value pairs. We'll also see the practical demo. In sets you can store unordered list of unique values. We will also see the demo. In runes, what is runes? It is new in that. Basically it represents Unicode value of string. If you want to find any Unicode value of string, then you can use runes in that. Another one is null, which represent a null value, just nothing. Okay, let's talk about numbers. Here you can see you can use integer or double or num to represent numbers. Let's see the demo. Okay, here I am opening VS Code. Here you can see. Okay, let's create a new file, datatype.dart. Let's create a main function or main method. Okay, let me write integer num1 is equal to 100. This is accepted. Integer num2 is equal to 200.9. This is not accepted because this is integer data type. Integer data type does not support any number or does not support the decimal point value. For this you will need to write, if you write 200.9, then you need to change the data type, change its data type to double. Okay, just write double and it will work. And another one is num. Let me write num and num3. Num3 is equal to 200.8. okay, num will accept the value. Num will also accept integer type and also accept double type. If you are confused about integer and double, then you can use num. Okay, let me calculate the sum in integer. Let's see. Integer sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. Okay, here you can see error is here you can see error message. The value of double can be assigned to a variable of type integer. Basically this gives a double value and we are using integer value integer data type here. Okay, we need to change it to double, or you can also write num here. Okay, both are accepted. And at the end, let's print the information. The sum is $sum. Okay, let me save the program and let me run the program. That our file name is datatype .dat. Okay, 501.7. Let's see the another example. For example, I am writing integer num1 is equal to 10. Integer num2 is equal to 3. Let me divide num1 and num2. Integer divide is equal to num1 slash num2. Okay, it won't work. You need to write double or num here. Let me write double, and let me print the value of the division is $division. Okay, let me print the value. Okay, here you can see the division is 3.333335. Okay, how you can round up in 2 decimal place? In that you can easily round up in 2 decimal place, or whenever you want, in 3rd decimal point or in 4th decimal point, it's your choice. Let's see. Okay, here you can see round double to 2 decimal places. You can use toString as fix. Okay, let me use that. If you want to use dot or something like that, for example dot or something like that, then you need to wrap dollar with curly bracket. Okay, just wrap double with curly bracket, and in curly bracket you can write toString as fix, and you can write I'm writing fraction digit as 2. Let's run the program. Here you can see the output 3.33. You can also write here 3. Let's see the output. Yeah, you can easily round up in n decimal places. It's so easy. Okay, this is all about numbers in that. If you have any question regarding numbers in that, please feel free to comment below. Okay, let's talk about string in that. String basically means you can store text-based information, or you can store symbols in string. The most important thing about string is you need to write quotation. You can also write single quotes, or you can also write double quotes, but you need to write quotation to represent string. Okay, let's see the practical demo. I'm creating new file string_work.dat. Okay, let's create a main function. If you want to store a text-based value, for example string address is equal to Pokhara, and string address to is equal to New York. Okay, here I am writing to address. Okay, let me print the address. Okay, let me write address 1 is $address, and let me print address 2 is address. Okay, let's run the program. That string_work.dat. Okay, here you can see address 1 is Pokhara and address 2 is New York. Okay, let's wrap with no quotation or no double quotes. It will give error. Here you can see undefined name Pokhara. Okay, you need to wrap with single quotes or double quotes. If you use single quotes, then it will be okay. If you use double quotes, then it will be also okay. No need to worry about that. Okay, in this way you can use string in that. You can also write symbols. You can also at the rate symbols, and you can do a lot of things in string. We have one dedicated video which will be uploaded soon in this channel. For that, subscribe to this channel. Okay, here you can see the example. And another important thing is you can create a multi-line string in that. So let's create a multi-line string in that. Okay, if you want to use multiple line, okay, string multi-line. If you want to write a paragraph, then you can use multi-line string. Okay, string my details. Okay, my details is equal to, you can use triple quotes, and you can end it with triple quotes, and you can write anything here. Hello, I am Biswaraj, and you can use multi-line. I am the student of computer science. I love that very, very much. I love that very, very much. Okay, that's good, amazing. Let's print my details. Okay, print my details. Okay, let's do it. Here you can see the output got printed. Basically, if you need to copy and paste some paragraph in string, or if you are retrieving data from internet, and you can use triple quotes to store all of the information in that string. In this way, you can use multi-line string in that. So let's move forward. Here you can see some special characters. I will show you the demo. For example, if I comment this one, the comment shortcut for comment is control slash. You can write control slash. Here you can see address 1 is address and address 2 is address 2. Let me run the program. Address 1 is Pokhara, address 2 is New York. If you want to give a new line before address, then you can just write \n. Okay, just write \n. Then you can see address 1 is Pokhara. Pokhara got printed in new line. This \n means new line. Okay, and there is also another, that is \t. This is tab. It will give some space here. \t means some space. It's just like pressing a tab button. And \n means new line in that. Okay, let's create a raw string in that. How you can create a raw string in that? Basically, raw string in that means special character won't work here. Just write R after the equal sign. Okay, if I write \n here and run the program, here you can see Pokhara got printed. Okay, Pokhara got printed in the new line. If I write R here at the beginning, okay, then you can see \n got printed, and we cannot use address. Okay, just $address got printed. In some situation, if you don't want to use the variable name, and you can also don't want to store this special character, then you can just write R after equal to sign. Okay, let's talk about type conversion in that. In programming, you need to convert integer to string, or string to integer, or integer to string, and basically you need to perform various tasks. For that, converting string to integer or type conversion is very, very necessary. Let's talk about how we can convert string to integer in that. Okay, let me write another file, string to integer .dat. Let me create a main function here. Okay, let's suppose I have string value is equal to, I have 60. Okay, let's check the data type of this value. Okay, first of all, let's check the data type. value dot runtime type. Okay, runtime type give us the type. Here the value is 60, but okay, let me run another program. It's that our file name is string to integer dot dat. Okay, here you can see string. It is numeric value, but we are using double quotes, so that thinks it's string. When you need to perform the mathematical calculation in string, for example, if I write integer total is equal to 100 plus value, then it won't work because it is a string. First of all, you need to convert that string to integer. Okay, how you can convert string to integer? For this, if you want to convert string to integer, then integer none, you can just use this. It is already giving the hint, int dot parse value. Okay, this is very easy. Here you can see, okay, int dot parse string value, just you can use that. Okay, let's write the num here, then you can also print the total. Okay, in this way you can convert. Okay, in this way you can convert string to integer in that. It is also very useful while working with Flutter, and that you can face the similar situation multiple times. Okay, how you can convert integer to string? Converting integer to string is very easy. Just you need to write dot to string after the integer variable name. It's very easy. And you can also convert double to integer by writing dot to int after the numeric variable. Okay, let's see the demo. Okay, double to integer. Okay, let me create a new file, double to integer dot dat. Okay, let me copy and paste all the stuff, and let us write the double value. Okay, double num is equal to 100.9. let us also write 9. Okay, let us convert to integer. Okay, integer num2 is equal to num dot to int, just you can write to int. Okay, let me print the value of num2. Okay, and let's see the output, that double to integer dot dat. Okay, here you can see 100. The 0.9 is not available in integer. Okay, because integer ignore value after decimal point. In this way you can convert double to integer in that. I hope you understood all of this stuff. Let's talk about Boolean. Boolean means you can store true or false value in Boolean. For example, let me show you a demo. Boolean work dot dat. Let me create a main method here. Okay, Boolean BOL is married is equal to false. Boolean is available is equal to true. You can store a true or false value, only true or false value in Boolean. We will also discuss about Boolean in if condition later in this video. Okay, in this video series. Okay, let me print the is married. Let me print the is available. Okay, let me write a semicolon and let's run the program. That our file name is Boolean work dot dat. Okay, here you can see false got printed and true got printed. We will also see the practical demo of Boolean in upcoming video. For that, subscribe to this channel and let me talk about another type, list. You can use list to store multiple items. For example, let me create a new file, list work dot dat, and let me create a new main method. Okay, let me create a list. Okay, list of, I'm creating a string, this means string list, and I'm writing address or country is equal to, you can use square bracket, and let me write India, let me write Japan. Okay, here is the country list, let me write countries. Okay, countries. Okay, the most common type of mistake people do in list is, for example, okay, I will disable this one. Okay, for example, the most common type of mistake people do while creating list is they write like this one, list of string countries is equal to, they write in all stop in one place, like USA, comma, India, comma, Japan. Okay, India, comma, Japan. This is the wrong method. This is wrong. This is the right method. Okay, you need to create a list in this format, not in this format. Here you can see USA, it is started by double quotes and ended by double quotes. You can also use single quote instead of double quote, but after the ending of double quotes you need to give comma, and then you need to start another quotes, and you can write any value you like, and then like that. Okay, let us print the value of countries. Okay, countries 0. Okay, in Dart or in most of the programming language, list index start from 0. This 0 means USA. Okay, let us print Dart list or dot Dart. Here you can see USA, because 0 index means USA. Let me write one index here. Okay, which is one index? India. Okay, one index is India, and another index is Japan. If I write 3, what happened? Guess. Okay, if I write 3, then it will throw error. Okay, it is throwing error to us. Okay, we don't have a third index. We have 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, no 3 index. Okay, for COUN, if I write 1 index, then it will print all of the stuff. Here you can see. Okay, here is not 1 index also. Let me write the 0 index. Here you can see USA, India, Japan all got printed in the same value, because that thought this is the 0 index. Okay, this is the wrong thing, so we should not write like that. Okay, here you can see also, you can also identify the length of that list. For example, if you want to find the list of length of these countries, then you can just print countries.length. Okay, countries.length. Let me print. Okay, here you can see 3. We have 3 countries. One is USA, and India, and another one is Japan. In this way you can use list in Dart. We have detailed video on list in Dart, and I will upload that video very soon. For that, subscribe to this channel and you will see the practical demo of list method we can use in list, different type of list, looping. We can also loop our list, and we can achieve very important tasks, and we can be very happy by using list. I will also publish the video about list very soon. Okay, let's talk about sets in Dart. What is sets in Dart? Okay, let's see the website. Sets means unordered collection of unique items. You can store unique data or unique values in sets. For example, I'm creating a new file. Let me copy this one and create a new file, set.org.dat. Okay, then let me paste it here. For the set, you need to write set at the beginning, and you can also specify other data type, and you need to write curly bracket instead of square bracket here. Okay, in this way you can write set. Let me print all the countries. Okay, let me print all the countries. You can see USA, India and Japan got printed. Okay, let's add another country, Japan. We are adding Japan multiple times. Let's print the countries. Then you can see Japan got printed only one time. If I write list here, and if I write square bracket here, then Japan got printed again. Sets doesn't print the same value again and again. It is a collection of unique value. Okay, in this way you can use set, and we will also discuss about sets more on our next video. Okay, let's move forward. You can also use maps. In maps you can store value based on key and values. Okay, let me give you an example. Let me create a new file, map.org.dat. Okay, let's write our main method, and then let me write map, and you can write type. I am storing key in string, I am storing values in string. You can also write another type like integer. Okay, and then you can name anything. For example, I am writing country capital and is equal to, then you need to write curly bracket here. Then first write key means we have to write in string. Okay, Nepal, and value you have to write it in string. Okay, for the value I am writing Kathmandu. Let me write US. I am writing Washington DC. Let me write India. I am writing New Delhi. Okay, at the end you need to write semicolon. Let's run the program. map.org.dat. It does not print anything because we haven't done any printing. Okay, how you can print the capital of USA? Let's print the capital of USA. To print the capital of USA, just write country capital and write square bracket and write the key. Key is USA. Okay, it will print the Washington DC. If you write India, then it will print New Delhi. If you write Nepal, then it will print Kathmandu. Okay, in this way you can use map in that. We'll also discuss about map detailedly in our upcoming video. Okay, let's move forward. Var keyword, in that there is also a var keyword. We already learn about it. Var means just it will specify the data type automatically. It says if you don't want to specify a data type, then I will find a type for you. Okay, let's use var also. Let me create a new file, var.dat. Okay, let's write our main method and var a is equal to 10. Okay, var b is equal to hello. Okay, var name is equal to hello. Var name is equal to, okay, var num is equal to num1 is equal to 10. Okay, var name is equal to hello. Okay, let's print num1 dot runtime type, and let's print num2 dot runtime type. Okay, runtime type. Okay, sorry, name dot runtime type. Okay, okay, let us run this program. Okay, dot var org dot. Okay, here you can see first one is integer and another one is string. It automatically find the data type for us. If you do not need to specify any variable, then it will automatically specify the variable. Okay, in this way you can use var. Using var is also good in some situation, but if you use integer or string, then it will be very good, but using var is also a good idea. Okay, how to check runtime type in Dart, we also learn how to check it. Okay, Dart is optionally typed language. So what is optionally typed? We have statically typed language and dynamically typed language. What is statically typed language? If the variable type is non at compile time, then it is statically typed language. If the variable type is non at runtime, then it is dynamically typed language. Dart support both statically typed and dynamically typed, so it is called optionally typed language. So let's take the demonstration of it. Okay, first of all, let's take the demo of statically typed. Okay, I will copy this one, just click here. Okay, if I create a new file, types.dart, okay, and paste it here. Okay, here you can see my variable, the value of my variable is 50, and I am assigning my variable to hello. This is not possible because Dart is statically as well as dynamically typed language. If we use dynamic here, then this is possible. Statically typed, just write integer or var here. This is statically typed, and if you write here dynamic, then it will work. Okay, let's check the data type. Dynamic, let's check, print my variable dot runtime type. Let's print my variable dot runtime type. Okay, let's run the program. You can see one variable type is integer as well as string. This is dynamically typed. It's not good idea to write dynamic if you know the data type, if you are clear about data type. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding data types in Dart, please comment below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and see you.